Part 2. Adjective clause. A dependent clause that functions as an adjective in a sentence is called adjective clause. An adjective clause works like adjective in a sentence. The function of an adjective is to modify or describe a noun or a pronoun. Similarly, a noun clause modifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, he wears a shirt which looks nice. The clause which looks nice in the above sentence is an adjective clause because it modifies the noun shirt in the sentence. It is important to note that an adjective clause always precedes the noun it modifies. For example, I met the boy who helped me. An apple that smells bad is rotten. The book which I like is helpful in preparation for test. Restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. Adjective or relative clauses can be restrictive clauses or non-restrictive clauses. A restrictive clause limits the meaning of preceding noun or pronoun. A non-restrictive clause tells us something about preceding noun or pronoun, but does not limit the meaning of preceding noun or pronoun. Let us take an example. The student in the class who studied a lot passed the test. The student in the class who had attended all the lectures passed the test. In the first sentence, the clause who studied a lot restricts the information to preceding noun or student. It means that there is only one student in the class who studied a lot, hence it is a restrictive clause. In the second sentence, the clause who had attended all the lectures gives us information about preceding noun but does not limit this information to the preceding noun. It means there can be several other students in the class who had attended all the lectures, hence it is a non-restrictive clause. A comma is always used before a restrictive clause in a sentence and also after non-restrictive clause if it is within a main clause. That is usually used to introduce a restrictive clause, while which is used to introduce a non-restrictive clause. For example, the table that costs $100 is made of steel. This sentence contains a restrictive clause. The table which costs $100 is made of steel. This is an example of a non-restrictive clause.